Hi, I'm Natasha Denona. I'm so excited to introduce you to my new Bronze Eyeshadow Palette. This palette features brand new, highly pigmented, warm tone neutral, nude brown, and different bronze shades. Continue watching to learn how to create this soft, smoky, bronze-inspired look. I'm starting with the first step and picking up Sundown, which is a matte pressed powder eyeshadow. I'm placing this into the outer corner of the eye and blending it upwards towards the crease in circular motions. With Beach, I'm going to blend this out, so I'm placing it on the top border of the eyeshadow to diffuse the harsh line. To define the lash line, I'm dipping into Deep Dive. This is a cream powder formula, very easy to blend because it's so soft. And I am starting on the outer corner of the eye, going downwards in a high angle towards the outer third of the upper lash line. From the outer point, I'm building up a line towards the crease, but still pretty below underneath the crease. With a smaller brush, a mini smudging brush or a precision brush, I am also connecting the lower lash line, but only the outer third. With the flat blending brush, I'm picking up a Rhodium, which is a medium metallic pressed powder eyeshadow, and I'm going to blend the dark shade upwards towards the crease and inwards on the lid. With Ridge, I'm going to melt all eyeshadows into each other. So I'm placing it right in between the purple shade and the first shade. With a damp and dense brush, I'm picking up Alloy, which is a metallic and sparkly duochrome eyeshadow. Pressing this right on top of the lid, on the higher part of the lid, leaving the space in between the lashes and this eyeshadow empty. With a small damp brush, I'm picking up True Bronze to press this really closely to the lash line. This will give a beautiful bronze highlight to the lash line. You can also apply the metallic and sparkling eyeshadows with your finger. You will get the most payoff that way.